Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today my topic is the contemporary non-fiction. The topic is contemporary non-fiction, important for the student, those who are preparing for the English literature competition exam. In every English literature competition exam, non-fiction plays an important role. So in this video, we are going to deal with the important non-fictions of contemporary period. And the four important writers of this period are Graham Greene, Maya Angelou, Umberto Eco, Rebecca Traister. So I have set them in a chronology order. First is Graham Greene, 1904 to 1991. Second, Maya Angelou, 1928 to 2014. Umberto Eco, 1932 to 2016. Rebecca Traister, born in 1975 till she is so, in this video, we are going to deal with all these four writers and their important non-fiction work. So, we'll start with the first. What are the non-fiction? First, let me tell you about non-fiction something. The text like biography, autobiography, memoir, diaries, letter, testimonies, pamphlet, travelogy, all these texts are called the non-fiction. So, first important non-fiction of contemporary period is Graham Greene. So let's start. Henry Graham Greene was an English writer and journalist regarded by many as one of the leading English novelists of the 20th century. So Graham Greene was a leading novelist of the 20th century. Graham Greene was known for his psychological and religious theme. The theme was of Graham Greene, psychological and religious. His famous work are Brighton Rock, The Power and Glory, The Heart of the Matter, and The End of the Affair. All the work are very important. So they can even ask you that like Brighton Rock is written by, or who is the author of Brighton Rock? The answer will be Graham Greene. So important work. Let's see. Power and Glory, 1940, fiction. The Brighton Rock, 1938, fiction. And The End of Affair, 1951, fiction. A Short of Life, 1971, autobiography. Ways of Escape, 1980, autobiography. John Orby and His Friend, 1948. Two plays. The two plays written by Graham Greene is very important. The Garden God, The Rest I Will Whistle. Again, I am telling you, two plays, The Garden God, The Rest I Will Whistle is very important for exam. And Power and Glory, 1940, fiction is very important. The Brighton Rock, 1938, fiction. The End of Affair, 1951, fiction. The all works are written by Graham Greene. So autobiography written by Graham Greene is A Short of Life. Short of Life is very important, has been asked in the exam, net exam. So keep in mind, Ways of Escape, 1980, autobiography by Graham Greene. So let's study about Maya Angelou. Maya Angelou is famous for her widely read poem Still I Rise, which became the most quoted poem in the classroom of English literature. So friend, Still I Rise is written by Maya Angelou, very important for our exam. She was also famous for writing 7 autobiographies, essay and many poems. Who? Maya Angelou. I Know Why the Caged Birds Sing, very important for our exam. I Know Why the Caged Birds Sing is written by Maya Angelou, is one of her well-known autobiographies. In 2021, the question in MK set, Maharashtra set, I think so, in set exam, in recently set exam held, it was asked that I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing was the written by. So it was written by Maya Angelou. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, 1969 work, the autobiography of Maya Angelou, where she described her early years in America. The book opened with 3-year-old Angelou. So they can also ask even now, which book is opened with the 3-year-old Angelou? The answer will be I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing by Maya Angelou. She uses her autobiography to explore the serious issue like rape, racism, and literacy. Other autobiographies by Maya Angelou are gathered together in my name. So they can ask you in exam that autobiography Gathered Together in My Name is written by. So it is written by Maya Angelou. Singing and Swing and Kitten. Mary Like Christmas is written by The Heart of Woman. All God's children need traveling shoes. Very important work for exam point of view. A song flung up to heaven and mom, and so I have mentioned, let's see down, I have mentioned them very properly. Important work, All God's Children Need Traveling Shoes, 1986. When? 1986. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing, 1969. Wouldn't take nothing for my journey now, 1994. Collected essay. A Song Flung Up to Heaven, 2002. A Letter to My Daughter, 2008. A cookbook named The Welcome Table, A Lifetime of Memories with Recipe, 2005, written by Maya Angelou. Mom and Me and Mom, 2013, work by Maya Angelou. Very important. So this is all about Maya Angelou and her important non-fiction work. Next is Umberto Eco. Umberto Eco, 1932. Umberto Eco was an Italian critic, philosopher, and semioticist and a novelist. He also worked as children's writer and a translator. His most famous works are The Name of the Rose, 1980. The Name of the Rose is very important. It is a historical murder mystery. Historical murder mystery. So they can ask you, name the work written by Umberto Eco which is historical murder mystery. The answer will be Name the Rose. So set in an Italian monastery in the year it is in the year 1327, and an intellectual mystery combining semiotics in fiction, biblical analysis, medieval studies, and literary theory. So other important work by Umberto Eco is the Aesthetics of Thomas Aquinas. The Aesthetics of Thomas Aquinas, 1988. The Art and Beauty in the Middle Age, 1985. The Open Work, 1989. The Open Work is written by Umberto Eco. Very important for our exam. Misreading, very important. Misreading, title and publication date is very important. And next, A Theory of Semiotics. This is very important. A Theory of Semiotics, 1967 work written by Umberto Eco. 6 Walk in Fictional Wood, 1994, Umberto Eco. Encounter, 1996. Encounter is written by Umberto Eco. Next is Rebecca Traister. Rebecca Traister is an American and columnist. She especially writes for New York Magazine, and she is currently an editor of Elle Magazine. Her Big Girl Don't Cry become one of the famous work, which is 2010 publication. When it was published, 2010. All the Single Ladies, 2016 publication. Good and Mad, The Revolutionary Power of Woman Anger, 2018 publication by Rebecca Traister. So friend, all the important work I have mentioned of non-fictional prose, the contemporary non-fictional work. So please friend, do subscribe my channel and share with the friends. In other video we will discuss some more non-fiction work important for our exam point of view. Till then, bye. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Please subscribe.